Welcome dear students. Welcome to online platform of Shiksha Niketan School. We have started the topic adjective and I had discussed with you the word adjective means describing words. Also, we had discussed the various types of an adjective, that is quality, quantitative, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, numeral. In quality, we talked about what kind. In quantity, we talk about how much. Whereas in demonstrative adjective, we talk about this, that, these, those. Whereas in possessive, we talk about I, my, his, her, she, and many more. And in interrogative, we talk about the WH family. Whereas in numeral, we talk about the cardinal as well as ordinal number. Today, I am going to start with you distributive adjective. So let's see what is an distributive adjective. Distributive adjective basically refers to each one or both of a number, the noun that the adjective describes. It means there are some words like each, every, either, neither are known as a distributive adjective. Let's see some examples. Each student was given a medal. Let's see some another examples. Each student was reading silently. Every student enjoys dance period. It simply means that distributive adjective refers to one and every refers to all. Let's see some another example. Each planet circle around the sun. Neither Mercury nor Venus have moons. A student has a textbook. Every student passed the exam. Neither member of the gang was caught by the cops. Dear students, it simply means each is used with the singular form and with the people. Like we had seen the example, each student has a textbook. Student refers to a people, whereas every is used collectively and for the things. Every student passed the exam, exam, exams. Whereas either indicates anyone and neither indicates no one. For example, neither member of the gang was caught by the cop. Means neither, no member. कोई भी member जो है वो पकड़ा नहीं गया. Let's proceed towards the last type of an adjective, that is the exclamatory adjective. It is used to express the strong emotion or surprise. It usually appears at the beginning of the sentence with an exclamatory mark. The most common exclamatory adjective is what. Let's take examples of this. What a beautiful day. What indicates? Basically the exclamatory adjective. And here, beautiful day indicates the noun. Another examples are such a kind person. What a wonderful surprise. What a clever idea. What a terrible accident. Some another examples are, wait, just a kind gesture, such a funny joke. So here I am going to end my topic and adjective. Before proceeding to any of the another topic, I want to conclude this by telling you the way how to write the adjective in a sentence. बच्चे जब आप सारे एडजेक्टिव एक साथ यूज करोगे ना, तो एक ही सेंटेंस में वी आर गोइंग टू यूज मोर देन वन एडजेक्टिव. एक ही हमारे सेंटेंस में एक से ज्यादा एडजेक्टिव जो है वो यूज होंगे. उस टाइम पे हमें इस फॉर्मेट का ध्यान रखना है. हमारा फॉर्मेट क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सी द क्वालिटी, then you have to see the size, then you have to see the shape, age, color, origin of the material, and at last you have to prefer the noun. Let's take an example of this. The tall, thin, 30-year-old old blonde American won the beauty contest. Here, all this tall, thin, 30-year-old blonde represents the adjective. So you have to remember the previous flow chart while writing various different types of objective in a particular sentence. My another example is, I have a beautiful white cat. Here again, beautiful white representing the adjective, whereas cat representing the noun. And noun जो है हमेशा सेंटेंस के क्या आएगा, लास्ट में. आई होप कि आपको कुछ समझ आया हो. यू अंडरस्टैंड माई वीडियो. स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट योर home, enjoy your summer break, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.